come home to embrace you, relax you, even make you explode into my world. Oh, you make me want to. Yes, kiss your body now, baby. I wanna make love, baby. You make me want love. Kiss your body down, baby.
1, 2.
I wanna make love to you. Thank you, Rich.
Lady past the whipped cream.
Yeah.
It's the sound of wet dreams. Come and climb on top of me. Let's make this one know. Yeah. You know just what I need. Grind and stroke it slowly. Make me weak in my knees. You're so freaking weak. It feels so good to me. Don't stop. Don't stop, girl. You're about to make me realize what I say. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kiss my body down, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just wanna make love to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Kiss my body down, baby. I like the way you freak me.
Yes.
Don't stop, baby. Got the way you take it. Gonna do it, baby. Don't stop, baby. Are you trying to make your baby? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
From the sound to making love, I just can't stop that. Cause your love is making me. It's making me. It's making me scream.
Yeah.
Kiss your body now, baby.
Make love to me, girl.
Wanna make love.
Make love to me, girl. All night, 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 girl.
Wanna make love.
Make love to me, girl.
I wanna tell you right now, I love you, boy. Y'all see all of this man right here? I can do it real good, baby. Can I take you home with me tonight? Can you stroke me all night long, baby? Can you stroke me, baby? Can you stroke me, baby? Can you get real good, 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 good? Hey, Big Daddy, I know that you've been in health instruction. Can you come out for me, Daddy? Oh, I'm feeling kind of good right now. Can I take my time, dog? Can I take my time? When you just stroke me, and it goes deep, deep, deep inside me. It feels so good, Daddy. I love you, baby. I love you, girl. I love you, baby. I'm trying not to get too excited, cause you feel real good to me, boy. And I wanna be loving you, baby. Wanna be Thank you.
Yeah.
Y'all give it up for D-Rich.
Yeah.